In this video, we are going to discuss about all silver teacups. Now, plane is divided into four quadrants. A horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant, silver starting letter S, sine and cosine positive, remaining ratios negative. Third quadrant, starting letter T, tan and cot positive and remaining ratios negative. Fourth quadrant, starting letter C, cos and secant positive, remaining negative. Here 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta or odd multiples. For odd multiples, sign changes to cos function changes to sine, tan changes to cot changes to tan, secant changes to cosecant, cosecant changes to secant. Next, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta or even multiples. For even multiples, there is no change in function value. That means sine only, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Now consider first quadrant. Here 90 minus theta, odd multiples. For odd multiple, sine function changes to cos function, that is sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sine theta, tan 90 minus theta, that is cot theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, secant theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive, that is plus, 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 plus. Here 360 plus theta is even multiple. For even multiple, no change in function, that is sine 360 plus theta is equal to sine theta, cos 360 plus theta, cos theta, tan 360 plus theta, tan theta, cosecant 360 plus theta, cosecant theta, secant 360 plus theta, secant theta, cot 360 plus theta, cot theta. In first quadrant, all are positive. In second quadrant, sine 90 plus theta, odd multiple, sine changes to cos, that is cos theta, cos 90 plus theta, sine theta, tan 90 plus theta, cot theta, cosecant 90 plus theta, secant theta, secant 90 plus theta, cosecant theta, cot 90 plus theta, tan theta. So in second quadrant, starting letter S, that is sine 90 plus theta is equal to plus cos theta, cosecant 90 plus theta positive and remaining all ratios negative. 180 minus theta, even multiple. For even multiple, no change in function value, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. In second quadrant, sine, cosecant positive, remaining ratios negative. Coming to third quadrant, in third quadrant, here 180 plus theta, even multiple. For even multiple, sine only, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. So in third quadrant, tan, cot positive, remaining negative. Tan positive, cot positive, remaining all negative. 270 minus theta, that is odd function, sign changes to cos, that is cos theta, cos changes to sin theta, tan changes to cot theta, cosecant changes to secant theta, secant 270 minus theta, cosecant theta, cot 270 minus theta, tan theta. In third quadrant, tan 270 minus theta plus cot plus remaining ratios negative. In fourth quadrant, sine 270 plus theta, that is odd multiple, changes to cos, that is cos theta, cos changes to sine theta, tan changes to cot theta, cosecant to secant theta, secant to cosecant theta, cot into tan theta. In fourth quadrant, starting letter C, so that is cos function plus secant function plus remaining all negative. 360 minus theta, that is even function. So sine changes, sine function, sine only, that is sine 360 minus theta, that is sine theta, cos 360 minus theta, cos theta, tan 360 minus theta, tan theta, cosecant 360 minus theta is cosecant theta, secant 360 minus theta, secant theta, cot 360 minus theta, cot theta. Here cos 360 minus theta value is positive, cosecant 360 minus theta value positive, remaining all negative. So let us see simplest way to remember all these formulas. Suppose sine 360 plus theta is equal to sine 4 into 90 plus theta. So 4 into 90 is equal to 360 plus theta. Here multiple of 90 is 4. So 4 is even number. So even multiple. For even multiple, there is no change in function value. That is sine only, sine theta. For sine, 360 plus theta belongs to which quadrant? So that is in first quadrant. First quadrant, sine positive. Now take 180 plus theta, tan 180 plus theta is equal to tan 2 into 90 plus theta, which is equal to, here multiple of 90 is 2, even number. For even number, tan only, that is tan theta. So belongs to third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan cot positive, that is plus. Now take tan 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta is equal to tan 2 into 90 minus theta is equal to, here multiple of 90 is 2, even number. Even number, no change in function value, that is tan function, tan itself, tan theta. So belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan minus. Now take sine 270 minus theta is equal to sine 3 into 90 minus theta is equal to, your multiple of 90 is 3, that is odd number. For odd number, sign changes to cos, that is cos theta. In third quadrant, sine minus. So sine 270 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta.